In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your trading account efficiently and securely. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. Firstly, we begin by launching the application you use for trading. Once it's up and running, navigate your mouse to the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll find the File menu. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting various options. What we're looking for here is the Login to Trade Account option. Gently click on this and you'll be directed to the Login window. Now in this Login window, you'll see fields asking for specific details. The first piece of information you'll need is your login, which is essentially your account number. Carefully type it in. This number is unique to you, so ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll see a prompt for your password. Type in your password with caution. Pay attention to the capitalization since passwords are case sensitive. For extra safety, avoid sharing your password and, if possible, use a password manager to keep it secure. The third field you'll need to focus on is the server selection. This is where you need to choose your broker's server from the provided list. It's important to select the correct server because your trading account information is stored there. And a mistake here can lead to delays. Take a moment to verify the information you've entered so far. It's always a good idea to double check to prevent any login issues later on. After you've filled in all the necessary information accurately, look for the OK button, which is typically located at the bottom of the login window. Click on it. At this point, the application will start processing your credentials to log you into your trading account. If everything has been entered correctly, you should see a confirmation message or your account dashboard. In case you encounter any messages indicating errors, double check the details you've entered. Errors often occur with mistyped passwords or incorrect server selections. As a tip, if you continue to have login problems, contact your broker for assistance. They can provide specific help related to your account and server settings. Remember, logging in successfully ensures you can start trading and keep an eye on your investments. It's a quick yet essential process that, when done correctly, sets you up for a smooth trading experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.